Budget-friendly, absolutely delicious Nigerian fried rice. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with my basmati rice. Feel free to make use of any rice of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and toast the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes just to add more flavor into the rice and just to help the rice to stay separate while the rice is done. 2 minutes later, I go in with the curry powder and thyme and I added seasoning cube and some salt to taste. The reason why I make use of seasoning cube is because I don't have any stock at home. I don't have the chicken stock or the beef stock, alright? If you have the chicken stock or beef stock, you don't have to use seasoning cube to cook your rice, alright? Alright? All you need is the chicken stock. Alright, once I stir the spices into the rice really well, I just go ahead and add my water. Make sure everything stir together nicely. I'll go ahead and cover the pan and allow the rice to cook until it's perfectly done. The rice is perfectly cooked to my liking. I'm going to go ahead and fluff it around and set it aside and allow to cool while I prep the veggies, alright? As you guys can see, the rice does not stick together at all at all. Toasting your rice will help your rice not to stick together. In another pan, I just added a little bit of oil and I go in with some onion and I will go in with the carrot. I will saute the carrot for about 2 minutes just to soften the carrot a little bit before I will go ahead and add the other veggies. Two minutes later, I go in with some garlic paste for more flavor. If you don't like to cook with garlic, skip it. Or you can make use of the powdered one. But garlic make your food very delicious. I added my green peas as well and I'll go in with the green pepper and some onion. You guys remember, we are cooking this on a budget, alright? This is all the veggies that I'm going to be using. Feel free to add any vegetable of your choice if you have at home, alright? But on this particular day, this is what I have at home. And I have some other fried rice recipe. I'll put the link in the description box below. Go ahead and check them out if you are interested. I go with the chicken liver and I'm going to go ahead and season the vegetables. I just go ahead and add some chili flakes and I'll add salt as well and some nutmeg. I also add some black pepper. Feel free to add any spices of your choice, alright? I didn't add curry and thyme into my veggies because the rice have enough curry and thyme, alright? But as I said earlier, add any seasoning of your choice. I will stir fry this till all the water dries out. As you guys can see, I changed to a bigger pot because that pot is too small. And all the waters have dried out from the veggies. I just go in with the rice and you guys, this is looking so beautiful. You guys, it looks so beautiful, guys, and it tasted absolutely delicious. Once I had the rice, I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. And at this point, the heat is on the lowest because I don't want my rice to burn and I want it to fry very well. Sometimes people complain that fried rice go bad easily. All you need to do is make sure you stir fry your veggies very well so you don't have water in your veggies. As long as you don't have water in your fried rice is going to stay intact, alright? And when you are frying your rice, make sure you fry the rice on a low heat. And don't forget to toast your rice also. Toasting your rice help your fried rice stay intact, alright? Follow that 3 steps. Trust me, you'll get a perfect, amazing Nigerian fried rice. And here is our fried rice on a budget. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.